Hi, this is Imran Ahmed, and here in this video, I'm just going to share with you only one ritual. This one ritual can change your life. Only one habit can actually transform your life, and it can make you extremely productive and very efficient in life as well. Exactly the same thing happened with me when some time ago, when my mentor, he taught me about this ritual, and when I started applying it in my life totally changed as well. So I will highly recommend you, please listen to this habit, this one habit. If you can if you can implement this habit, it can totally transform your life, and you can become very productive, whether you are a student or you are in a working age. You go to office, your life can become extremely productive, and you will feel that you are managing things in your life really well. So before I dive into that ritual, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon as well, so whenever I upload new video, you will be notified about that. And also my phone number is here in the description. If you want to phone me, you want to discuss anything with me with regards to this ritual, or if you have got any other questions about productivity or education related, you can definitely contact me. All my social media handles, their links are available in the description as well, like my Facebook, my Twitter, Instagram, all of them are here. So definitely you can contact me. So anyway, what is that ritual? Some time ago, my mentor, he taught me that if you can develop only one habit, this one habit can make you very productive. And what was that habit? He said to me that nowadays people are so much obsessed with their mobile phones. When they go to bed, most of the people, what they do, they will start checking their social media links like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, or even start checking emails as well. He says this is not the right thing, and what he says that you should not be checking your emails or anything, any social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn when you are in the bed. What he says is that you should leave your smartphone outside your room. It should not be in the same room, because mobile phones are so much addictive that we all, we check our mobile phone like every half an hour, or maybe every 1 hour. So what he says, when you are in the bed, what you should do is leave your mobile phone outside, because it will not be healthy for you. So instead, what you should do is switch off the room. There should be a complete darkness in the room, and when you are in the bed, try to analyze your day. How was your day, that particular day? How did you spend that? What good things did you do in all day, and what things you need to improve on what you did that particular day, and what are your plans for the next day? What are your plans, and how you can make your next day very productive. So what my mentor taught me was that when you are in the bed, you should think about all the blessings which you have got in your life, and be thankful for that, and be thankful, and think like you have got so many things, so you should be thankful for all of them, and feel proud about that. So what happens is, when you feel proud about yourself, you feel that, oh, you are very lucky, you have got bed to sleep. For example, you have got car to drive, you have got a house to live, you have got a phone, you have got air conditioning in the house, or you have got heating in the house. You have got carpet, you have got sofa, you have got family, you have got siblings. These are all blessings. So you should be thankful for all of them. So what my mentor taught me, he said that if you will be thankful for these things, whatever you have got, more and more blessings will start coming in your life. And if you will properly analyze your day when you go to bed, and think about your day, and think like how you can make your next day, which is the following day, how you can make it better. And sometimes you can think about your future plans as well when you are in the bed. So, and how you can actually implement the strategies which can help you in making your future better, or whatever your desired dreams are, how you can achieve them. So what you need to do is, when you go to bed, please remember there should not be mobile phone. And nowadays we are living in this age, which is the age of information. There is so much information, unlimited information available. And some people are so much obsessed of consuming too much information through their mobile phones or reading books as well. Okay, some people say that reading book is quite a good habit before you go to bed, but what my mentor taught me, that that's not the right time to read the book. If you want to read the book, whether you can read it in the morning when you wake up first time in the morning, or in the evening, or in the daytime whenever you get time, or before going to bed, 1 hour before going to bed, you should just stop reading. And when you go to bed, just think about your life in general, and how you can be beneficial for other people, how you can bring more comfort and more happiness in other people's life. So what my mentor told me, that if you do this, your life can become very successful. And you know what? When I started consuming, when I started using this information, and I started actually analyzing my life, and I started writing a journal before going to bed, like, about my blessings, what blessings I have got, I realized that I have started getting even better. I have started, my more and more blessings are coming in my life. So what I do is, before I go to bed, I've got this basic phone, right? I set the alarm in this phone, I keep it on my bedside, and my smartphone, I do not keep it in my room. I always keep it whether in the living room or in a different room. And I leave it there, and when I wake up in the morning, when my alarm goes off, I wake up in the morning, then I might pick up my phone, and then I start my day. So please remember, when you go to bed, there should not be any distraction, especially mobile phone. Mobile phone is has got so much information in it. So that is the time when actually you should be thankful for all the blessings you have got, and you can make your plans, and you should feel happy about yourself. You should feel proud about yourself. And when you will do this, what will happen? Your next day, that will be very productive. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the subscribe button. And if you have any question, you can contact me. My phone number and all my social media links are here in the description. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.